good morning and assalamu alaikum class 4. I hope you all are doing well, enjoying good health and learning at homes. I am your social studies teacher Aruj Yunus. And my dear students, we are going to do the long question number 1 of unit 5 economics. As you know, we have completed its reading, so today we are going to do its long question number 1, and you have to do it on your copies. But first let us revise some important points about question number 1. And our question number 1 is about economic choice. What is economic choice? Due to limited resources, man has to select the needs that are most important, and he has to give up less important desires. Such a decision is known as economic choice. For example, you have only ₹30 and want to buy chips and chocolates. If the price of each item is ₹30, you cannot buy both items. So you have to decide which item you like the more. The item you decide to buy will be your economic choice. While making economic choice, a man evaluates his desire to buy on one hand and keeps in view the price on the other hand. जैसे कि मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दी थी कि अगर आपके पास ₹30 हैं, आपने चॉकलेट लेनी है, अगर आपका चिप्स का भी दिल कर पड़ा है, तो आप दोनों चीज़ें उसमें नहीं ले सकते अगर दोनों की प्राइस 30 ही है तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप डिसाइड करेंगे कि आपको कौन सी चीज़ ज़्यादा पसंद है. ये आपकी इकोनॉमिक चॉइस है. यहाँ पे आपने चूज़ करना है कि आपको कौन सी चीज़ जो है वो ज़्यादा पसंद है. And I hope it is clear to you all what is meant by economic choice, in which you have to choose that which thing is more important for you, which thing you like the most. So you have to decide whether you want to buy chips or whether you want to buy chocolate. Question number 1. What is economic choice? Explain with examples. अब आपने example देनी है. आप अच्छे से इसको समझ चुके हैं कि economic choice हमारे पास क्या है. Answer is due to limited resources. But first let me tell you that my dear students, before writing it, you have to draw a margin line and you have to mention unit name, economics, then long question. Question number 1. What is economic choice? Explain with example. Answer is due to limited resources, man has to select the needs which are most important and has to give up less important desires. Example, if you have ₹30 and want to buy chips and chocolate, you cannot purchase both things. Then you will decide which item you like the most. This is economic choice, जिसमें आपने चूज़ करना है कि आप लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज में, लिमिटेड मनी में क्या चीज़ लेना चाहते हैं. वो चीज़ लेंगे ऑब्वियसली जो आपको ज़्यादा पसंद होगी. जैसा कि आपका दिल कर रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा कि आप चॉकलेट खाएं, आप चॉकलेट खाना चाहते हैं, तो आप चिप्स को जो है वो ड्रॉप कर देंगे, आप चॉकलेट बाय कर लेंगे. अगर आपका दिल कर रहा है चिप्स लेनी है तो आप फिर चॉकलेट के आइडिया को ड्रॉप कर देंगे और आप चिप्स को प्रेफर करेंगे. ये आपकी इकोनॉमिक चॉइस है. ये आपने चूज़ किया है कि आपके लिए क्या चीज़ ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपका क्या दिल कर रहा है और आप उस लिमिटेड मनी में क्या चीज़ ले सकते हैं. Clear, my dear students? After writing it, you have to learn it and learn spellings as well. We will meet in next video lecture. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.